Hello everyone, good afternoon, welcome back to my channel. So very sorry guys, I couldn't post any vlogs in my channel. I think it has been more than a month, 1.5 months I guess. So I'm really sorry for that. Actually some of the issues because of my health was not good. I was very sick and some kinds of work's pressure also has increased in the office, and there are a lot more things happened in personal life as well. So due to that, some of my personal reasons, I couldn't post any vlogs in my channel. I apologize to all my audiences for that. So I sincerely apologize for that. Please forgive me guys for being irregular in the YouTube for so long. But I have posted 2-3 shots in the middle. I hope you will understand the situation that I went through, and you will give me a chance to again bring more and more content for all of you. So yeah, without any further ado, I will start today's vlog, and I hope all of you are doing good. Actually, I am doing the vlog where beside some construction is going on, so please apologize for that if you are getting sounds. Beside only there is a building construction is going on. So yeah, that's it, nothing else. So today is my week off guys. Today is Saturday, so Saturday Sunday is weekend. So happy weekend to all of you guys. So I'm going outside today for a little bit outing, like a normal outing, having some good food, good lunch, spending some leisure time with myself. So please do watch the vlog until the end guys, because your likes and your love will help me to bring more and more content. So yeah, that's it. Please do watch the vlog until the end, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So yeah guys, keep watching my vlog. So after many days, I also got ready in like this attires. So after so long I think. So yeah, that's it. Again I'm posting a vlog in my channel. Please give your like guys, so that it will encourage me to bring the content for you. Even though my health is not good also. So yeah, that's it. Please watch the vlog, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And yeah, also do comment me how I'm looking in this attire. This is a normal western attire. So yeah, keep watching. So guys, I came to Nexious Mall after so long. So after so long I came here, and today normally I'm going to just do a kind of window shopping, and I want to share this vlog with all of you, because after so long I came here, and just I want to spend some time in the weekend and have some good food, and then go from here. That's it. I hope you like the vlog. So please do watch the vlog until the end, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. And in Hyderabad there is too much rain guys. The weather is very bad here. Constantly it's raining, and beside you can see this cute toy train is going for kids. This one, I don't know adults can sit or not, no idea on that. So yeah, that's it. I hope you will like today's vlog, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. here, and I was feeling so hungry because I didn't take my lunch and I came here. So I thought to have some good time here and then have a good lunch and do some kind of shopping if any attires I like, because after so long I came here, and before that I went to so many malls, but actually Forum Mall is little bit distance from my location. It is around I think 10 kilometers, so that I came only one time I think, and this is the second time I came here. So that's it. So that's why I chose to come here. So yeah, nothing else today. I hope you will like the vlog, because after so long I'm shooting a vlog. So please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, guys. And yeah, that's it. I hope you are having a good time in this weekend with your near and dear ones. So yeah, keep on watching. And yeah, guys, I want to watch movie actually today, because I didn't watch any movies also for so long. But unfortunately, there is no movies available presently which I want to watch. I didn't watch Sayara and I didn't watch even Dharak 2 as well. These two Hindi movies were good because the trailers I like, but unfortunately those are not available presently. Sayara is there. Sayara already I have seen in my laptop only. So that's it. Now War 2 is going on I think, but I am not interested to watch that movie. So that's it, guys, nothing else. And yeah, keep continuing watching the vlog and please do subscribe to the channel, guys. Everyone, I came to the food court of Nexious Mall. So before also I came here once and I told here actually the eating options I felt here personally from my end that it's less as compared to Sharat City Mall. Actually in Hyderabad, if I say honestly, the most favorite mall where I like is Sharat City, but I became bored of going to that mall again and again and again and again, so that I thought that just for a change, let me come here. Actually I don't want to go to mall today, I want to go to some other places, but unfortunately the weather of Hyderabad is very bad. More than a week it's always raining and it's very unpredictable weather it is there presently in Hyderabad. So that's why even if I go outside, suddenly if it starts raining, then again it's a problem. So that's why, guys, nothing else, I came to the mall so that there will be no issues of rain and all. So I have seen some of the dresses in Trends and Max and all, but unfortunately the fittings I didn't like. Otherwise definitely I thought to take, but the fittings are not that much good as per I thought. So yeah, nothing else, just I shared with you. And here I thought to eat first KFC guys, but KFC in the Nexus Mall is in ground floor. So that I came here and I have ordered food from Wow Chicken. Wow Chicken I have ordered already here. And after that, if still I feel hungry, then I will take a biryani from South Indian kitchen probably. So yeah, that's it. I hope all of you are doing good and enjoying your weekend. And yeah, that's it, nothing else. Please do watch the vlog until the end and do not forget to like, share and subscribe. So keep continuing watching guys. So guys, the food already came and they have done so much late in preparing the food. So actually I didn't try Wow Chicken before guys. So once I tried before, I think in Orbit Mall I tried once, but the taste I was not satisfied that much. So again I didn't try for so long. Nearly for 5-6 months I didn't try again. So today again I thought once to try since it is here, the counter is here in the Nexus Mall as well. And so yeah, let me taste the food. First of all I'll take the french fries. Okay, french fries are okay. Actually their fried chicken size you can see. I feel personally, because I am a big fan of KFC, I will always eat KFC so much. So I feel the pieces are small. And let's see the taste. Okay, taste wise okay, not bad. Barbecue wings, this is I'm trying for the first time. So I don't know how the taste will be. First time I'm trying the barbecue wings. So let's try the taste. It's like smoky chicken guys. Somewhat like smoky chicken, just they kept the name in a different way. But one thing what I liked is they've given a lot of tissue papers guys. Lot of tissue papers and extra sauce packets as well. That is the only thing I like. Okay, taste wise is good, not bad. And one thumbs up is mandatory. So I've taken 10 only. If you want you can take glass as well. So yeah, this is the honest review of the food I have given, what I felt from my end. So yeah, that's it. I hope you all continue watching the vlog, and please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet guys, because it will motivate me to bring more and more content for you. I begin to is R&B store. I think it's a that is a brand from Dubai. It's a new brand, I guess. Actually, before that, I didn't came to this brand. So I came and checked here. Means here the dresses collections is also quite good, not bad. And also I have seen a choice one track pant. That is not I'm showing to you because it is very common. Just for the regular use, I am thinking to purchase it. And they kept some good collections of perfumes, and the smell is quite nice, and it's long lasting as well. So yeah, that's it. I just want to share with you because this is a new thing I think they have opened, because before also I am in Chennai. I used to roam mall so much. Here also I am staying for 1 year is going to happen, but this particular store before that is not there. So yeah, that's it. I just want to share with you, and until now I'm just taking the smell of the perfume because it's really nice. Shopping, but unfortunately I don't know why Zudio sale is going on presently since it is August month, but I didn't find any good collections in Zudio as well. Opposite of Nexious Mall, Hyderabad only Zudio I came, but unfortunately I didn't find any good collections here, so I became very much disappointed. I roamed in Nexious Mall as well, but there also I didn't find any good collections. Finally I thought that at least Zudio I will find पक्का, क्योंकि I am a person who loves Zudio collections. मुझे Zudio collections बहुत पसंद है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. मैं मैक्सिमम ऑफ द शॉपिंग Zudio से ही करती हूँ, लेकिन पता नहीं आज इन द Zudio देयर इज़ नो पर्टिकुलर गुड कलेक्शंस. जो भी सेल के लिए उन लोगों ने रखा है, वॉट एवर सेल दे केप्ट ऑल्सो, those sizes all are not available guys. Only you will get mostly S, XS, neither L or M size you will not get. So that is the problem I faced here. Yeah, that's it, nothing else. I just want to share with all of you this as well. And after coming here, in the evening you can see the traffic in Hyderabad guys. Just look at the scenario. It seems like okay, so much stressful seeing this traffic. This is in front of Zudio Road guys. So yeah, that's nothing else guys. Please do watch the vlog until the end, because after so long I'm shooting a vlog for all of you. So yeah, that's it. Please do like, share and subscribe to the channel, and once again I'm very happy thinking to all of you. So guys, in this floor there are a lot of restaurants. It's near to Kondapur. So I came actually here for Wow Mandi because it has a rating of 4.7 I guess. But after coming to this particular place, I have seen there are a lot of restaurants are there, and each and every restaurant have a very good rating. So presently I am going to Wow Mandi guys, and I will show you the honest food review of that restaurant as well. So yeah, come with me. It's in second floor I think. So let's try the food of Wow Mandi, and I'll give you the honest food review of the Wow Mandi. So yeah, keep continuing watching the vlog. So that's all about today's vlog, guys. So today I have done a vlog where I have shared after long days to you about how I spent my week off. So I hope you have liked today's vlog, and I want to give you the review of Wow Mandi as well. The mandi that I have tasted before also. So many times I have eaten mandi. So today after so many days I have tried again mandi. So Wow Mandi food is good. The chicken pieces, the flavor, the aroma of the food was excellent as per my taste buds. So yeah, it was good. So that is the honest review of the restaurant. And yeah, that's it. I'm feeling so tired after a long day. So yeah, that's it. Nothing else. Please do watch the vlog until the end, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So until the next vlog come to this channel, till then, stay safe, happy, positive, and healthy. Bye bye. Good night. Take care, guys. Bye bye. Good night. Take care.